Hey, what's up? So, quick taste test. We got Doritos Ultimate Cheddar. It says Scary Good Flavors, limited edition. So, I had no interest in these at all, but I saw Matt's Bell, Reckless Eating. Matt, shout out to you. Just OG guy trying food. You know what I'm saying? Just awesome guy. Still, I very much love watching every single video he puts out. But he tried these and he's like, yeah, big whoopee, whatever. It's cheese flavor. So I am curious though. So Ultimate Cheddar. Try another angle of bold cheese flavor. So, I mean, there's lots of Doritos flavors at this point. I honestly, regular, original, you know, just cheese Doritos. Was the original cheddar? I don't even know. I don't know what kind of cheese it is, but they're fine. So are these going to be extra cheesy? I don't really know. So because of this video, I saw them at the store. I saw they had a small bag, which is a thumbs up. I don't need to get the big bag of anything unless it's not available in a small one. That's it, just a little taste tester. So let's give it a shot. I mean, it looks like a regular Dorito, right? Cheers. Okay, let's try that again. I am not yet impressed. Take two. You know, if this bag was red and it just said Doritos on it, I'd believe it. I'm having a hard time distinguishing what original Doritos taste like compared to this. It just tastes like a regular Dorito to me. There's definitely nothing ultimate about it. I have to agree with him. I'd probably have to do it side by side. I mean, maybe it's a slightly different cheese flavor. You know what I mean? Maybe it's a, I know what like Cheetos taste like. And that's what I was kind of expecting. I thought maybe it'd be Doritos, but with like a Cheetos type flavor, you know? But it's not. It just tastes like a Dorito. I'm struggling to see the difference here. I mean, it's more, I guess, more orangey yellow than a regular Dorito. I don't really know. It's just, yeah. I mean, they taste good, but that's extremely underwhelming. Thumbs down for being new. If you got this because, or you see it in the store and you're like, damn, I gotta try that, you've had it. It's just a Dorito. It's just cheese flavored Doritos. So yeah, that's very disappointing. But thank you, Matt. I had to try it because I saw your video. That's it. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. If you see these, pass them up, unless you like regular Doritos and you want to be underwhelmed like I was. Hope you have a wonderful day. See you tomorrow. Take care.